Looking for a way to make free money that's out of this world? Look no further than Midjourney AI, the innovative tool that's revolutionizing the e-commerce world and giving entrepreneurs and marketers an insane advantage. With Midjourney AI, you can tap into the power of advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning technology to generate stunning product images that are sure to catch the eye of potential customers. And the best part? You can do it all for free, earning money while you sit back and watch your business soar. So if you're ready to take your e-commerce game to the next level and make some insane money in the process, it's time to give Midjourney AI a try. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this exciting video, we'll take a look at how can you make money with Midjourney. So without further delay, let's get straight into the video. In the highly competitive world of e-commerce, product images can play a crucial role in attracting potential customers. To stand out among the plethora of online retailers, having high-quality images that showcase your products in the best possible light is essential. Midjourney AI is a solution that utilizes advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning technology to generate visually stunning product images that are sure to catch the attention of potential customers. No matter what type of product you are selling, whether it's clothing, electronics, or anything else, Midjourney AI can help you enhance your e-commerce game and stay ahead of the competition. By leveraging cutting-edge technology, Midjourney AI creates images that not only capture the unique features of your products, but also create an emotional connection with potential customers. These images can help you communicate the value of your products more effectively and increase your chances of making a sale. With Midjourney AI, you can ensure that your product images are of the highest quality, giving your business a professional and polished image that resonates with customers. Whether you're a small startup or an established brand, Midjourney AI can help you take your e-commerce business to the next level. How to use Midjourney? Let's dive into Midjourney, a platform for creating stunning AI-generated art and illustrations based on your text input. To get started, simply click Join the Beta and join their Discord server where you can see the incredible creations made by others. To create your own AI art, navigate to the Newcomer rooms and choose a room such as Newbies 4. From there, use the command /ImageImagine followed by a descriptive prompt, such as brain with legs and arms cycling a bicycle looking cool. The more specific and detailed your prompt, the better the AI-generated image will be. After about a minute, you'll get an image like the one shown in the server. To further customize your image, use the Upscale Operations U1U4 and Variation option V1 to enhance or create multiple versions of the image. Once you have the desired image, you can download it or use it for various purposes like illustrations, graphic novels, or website design. Midjourney has made it possible for anyone to create incredible AI art without needing to know how to code. With endless possibilities like a mechanical keyboard design in the style of futuristic space art, the only limit is your imagination. Now I will show you that how can you earn money with the help of Midjourney. One way to make money through Midjourney AI is to offer your services on Fiverr, where you can find freelancers charging thousands of rupees for creating illustrations, ranging from ink illustrations to children's book illustrations and vintage retro style designs. By using keywords such as vintage retro style, freelancers can quickly create unique designs using AI, turning any image into a desired style. This opens up opportunities for individuals to offer their services for AI art and website designs on freelance platforms like Fiverr. Midjourney is a tool that can be used to create website designs and UI designs for clients without using any previous work available on the internet. By joining the Midjourney Discord server and using these AI-created illustrations, individuals can create merchandise and earn money through Fiverr. This new revolution in AI design allows for unique and detailed designs to be created quickly and efficiently. Another way to make money through Midjourney AI is to become an affiliate marketer. As an affiliate marketer, you can promote Midjourney AI to your audience and earn a commission on any sales that result from your referrals. By creating content that showcases the benefits of Midjourney AI, such as improved product images, you can attract potential customers and earn a commission on any sales that result from your efforts. Finally, if you have experience and skill in software development or machine learning, you can offer your services as a consultant to Midjourney AI. By working with the platform's developers, you can help them improve and enhance the platform's functionality, making it more valuable to businesses and potentially increasing its profitability over time. Overall, there are several ways that you can make money through Midjourney AI, from offering your services as a product photographer or affiliate marketer to consulting with the platform's developers to improve its functionality. By leveraging the platform's advanced technology, you can help businesses improve their e-commerce game and potentially earn a profit in the process. Stay connected, maybe we are just jumping into an end. The benefits of Midjourney AI for small and large e-commerce businesses. Midjourney AI is an innovative platform that offers numerous benefits for both small and large e-commerce businesses. One of the main advantages of Midjourney AI is that it can help businesses create visually stunning product images that can increase customer engagement and drive sales. By utilizing the platform's advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning technology, businesses can create images that capture the unique features and benefits of their products, making them more attractive to potential customers. Another benefit of Midjourney AI is that it is easy to use and can save businesses time and money. Instead of hiring a professional photographer or spending hours taking photos themselves, businesses can simply upload their product images to the platform and let Midjourney AI do the rest. This can free up time and resources that can be better spent on other aspects of the business, such as marketing or customer service. Midjourney AI is also scalable, making it suitable for both small and large businesses. Whether a business is just starting out or has an established presence in the e-commerce world, Midjourney AI can help them improve their product images and increase their chances of success. Overall, Midjourney AI is a valuable tool for any e-commerce business looking to enhance their product images and stand out from the competition. This was all about today's video. See you soon in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, we would love to hear how much you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can see more awesome videos like this in the future.